study in class 5E. Today I am going to show you an experiment, that is air needs space. So first we have taken a big bowl of water and we have filled it with clean water. Now we have take two glasses. Okay. Now we will take one glass and put it straight into the bottom of it. Now we will slowly tilt the glass, and now you can see the bubbles are coming out. But you will now we will repeat it again. We will put it exactly straight. Now we will slowly tilt it. Now you are wondering why were the bubbles coming out? So now let me tell you the reason behind this. When we put the empty glass has air inside it. So when we put it inside the water tried to escape the air, but the air didn't let it. But now when we tilted the glass, the air went out in the atmosphere and the water went inside. So the exchange of air and water made the bubbles come out. Thank you everybody, and now I hope I was able to make you understand the concept of air needs space. Thank you.